What's up? It's Julia with my cousin
Cameron.
and I'm gonna link his YouTube channel down below. And this is not my regular account, this is my mom's account, but I'm gonna start posting on her thing too. Today's a slime video and we're gonna share all our slime. So here we go. So the first slime is his alien slime. It looks like this. Yeah.
It's really mushy and
Sorry about that, the camera stopped. So he's just gonna show you this slime.
it's really mushy and stuff.
Yeah. So you made that one with borax, right?
Yep.
Okay. So moving on to the next slime. So now to one of my slimes. I'm not gonna show all the slimes in here. I'm only gonna show one at a time. So the first one I'm gonna show is an snowstorm slime. It's called that because it just looks like a snowstorm. It's like so cool. So yeah, this is how it pokes. It doesn't really poke. So on to the next slime. So next is one of Cameron's slime. It's a look at that bubble. It's a Nickelodeon slime.
Yep.
We're not gonna take this one out because it's really sticky.
Yep. It's
So
really
you can
gooey.
show it. Oh my god, I got it on my hands. So yeah, this is probably my favorite slime. It's so cool. So probably in a couple weeks, we're probably gonna post another video of doing another slime video.
Yep.
So next slime. Next slime is another slime from here. This is my iceberg slime. It doesn't stretch that. It stretches pretty good, but then you poke it. Some of these don't really make poking noises. Next is a green slime. Oh, and his slimes were jiggly slimes. We forgot to say that. And then here's just another part of my iceberg slime. Now I'm actually gonna give this one to Cameron. It's a unicorn poop slime. This next one is another, just a tealish color slime. I have more slime, but I just didn't want to show it all because I don't want the video to be too long when it's only 2 minutes. I know this is not like my favorite slime, but it like failed sort of. Doesn't really stretch, but I still love it. Then just another piece. And then I have a frog slime. It's a butter slime, but it has little chunks of clay in it to make it look like a frog slime. It looks like dark green. It's really a light green. It has little dark green speckles in it. It probably looks different on camera. Then I have the terriblest slime ever. 1 second, I gotta add more to it. I have to add more detergent to it. It's a kinetic sand slime. I hate this slime. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I'm probably gonna sell it on Facebook or something. So yeah, this is my mom's channel if I haven't mentioned this at all. And yeah. And then this is a purple lavender slime. So there were those slimes. So now it's time for the surprise slime. We'll be right back with the surprise slime. Okay, this next one isn't really a slime. It's called Oobleck. It's not really a liquid. It's not really a solid. If you like put a lot of pressure on it, it doesn't do anything. But if you're like really soft with it, it turns into a liquid pretty much.
Yeah. It's like pretty much a liquid.
It's a liquid slash solid. This is really cold. So what I'm going to do is just show you. You want to show them too? So it's a surprise one. Whoa.
Slides off your hands a lot.
Yeah. Yeah, I really love this slime. I mean, not slime, but Oobleck. We just made this one today, actually. So, yeah, I don't know how I'm going to end this video. Bye, guys. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment what we should do next. Bye.